what are you guys doing right now?
Sewing.
Sewing what?
Curtain.
Curtain?
Yes. Daddy, are you sewing or sewing?
I'm sewing, baby. I'm adding.
More parts for the curtain.
Oh no, I ran out of.
Battery.
Yeah. No threads.
How about this one?
No, I ran out of threads on the bottom.
Oh.
Bottom. The bottom. That one, the thread. The little thread, it's so cute. Are you trying to wind it up again?
Yeah, wind up. This is called a spool.
Daddy, I was talking about the little metal thing over there.
This one? Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a spool.
Mm,
Can you show us, Daddy, how to put that?
Just push inside.
So take your thread right there. It's a step-by-step process.
The process.
So that when you grow up, you're not reliant on other people to make your dresses pretty. You know, did you know that I'd sew mommy's dress?
Yes.
Oh,
And you wanted to make it?
yeah. And here, you cross it over and bring it down.
Daddy, just like my dress, it's a clothes.
Yeah.
Wasn't my dress beautiful, Daddy?
Yeah. I love it.
Are you going to make that?
Mhm.
Are you winding up?
Yeah, I'm threading it in.
You mean the curtain?
No, the threads.
Daddy,
Mhm.
what happens if there's smoke?
Where?
Daddy, what happens if there's smoke coming out of nowhere?
I don't know. What do you think would happen?
I don't know. I think Faith could say it. Faith, can you say da 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 da? Da is the word. Da 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 da.
I like that.